Hey guys, converting units of weight and mass. Okay, so when you go to the doctor for checkup, doctor takes many measurements, right? And doctor measures your height, temperature, blood pressure, heart rate, so on and so forth, okay? Doctor uses a scale. To measure weight in the U.S. customary system, we use units such as ounces, pounds, tons, okay? These are kind of an odd system, but the system is based so that you can divide it in thirds and fourths very easily. Okay, specifically fourths. It is very, very hard to divide the metric system into fourths a little bit. Okay, so there's very different systems. The metric system is, of course, easier to do math in. The U.S. customary system can be sometimes easier to work in for practical stuff. But yeah, so we'll do a number of these things. So a large elephant weighs 4 tons. How many pounds? So metric ton is about, so 1 ton versus a, is a metric ton? That's not a real thing, right? 4 tons, how many pounds? Yeah, so 4 times, oh yeah, it does say metric ton. We don't really talk about that. Anyway, 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, so 4 times 2,000 gives us where we're at. 6 kilograms, okay, 6 kilograms. The mass of a watermelon is how many grams? It's just 6 times 1,000, okay. Every kilogram, okay, single kilogram is 1,000 grams, okay. Antoine worked at a sandwich shop and uses 2 ounces of cheese for 1 sandwich. If he made 16 sandwiches, how many pounds of cheese did he use? It should be 18, or sorry, 2 pounds. 16 twice. Okay. All right. So relatively straightforward. 1/2 of a, oh sorry, I'll go over the lesson practice here in a second. First, the written practice I want you to do is just 1 through 9 all. It's nice and easy, just the kind of the questions, the written questions. Alright, lesson practice. So first, try this on your own first. If you get stuck, come on back. So 1/2 of a pound is how many ounces? It's 8 ounces, because it's 16 ounces for a pound. Pair of tennis shoes is about 1 kilogram. Then 1 tennis shoe is about how many grams? 1,000. 10 pounds of potato weighs how many ounces? So it'd be 16 times 10 is 160. 16 tons is how many pounds? So that's 16 times 2,000. So that'd be 32,000 pounds. A fabric store manager placed an order to buy 9 rolls of white cotton fabric. Each roll contains 57 yards of fabric, which is about 3 feet. Use compatible numbers to approximate how many yards of white fabric the manager bought. So 9 rolls, so 9 times 57. Isn't it just 9 times? Use compatible numbers. What shouldn't it just be 9 times 57? 9 rolls. It doesn't seem like I'm actually changing anything. I just want to make sure I'm doing this right. Manager placed an order to buy 9 rolls of white cotton fabric. If each roll contains 57 yards, use compatible numbers to how many yards. Yeah, it's just 57 times 9. Right? I'm not missing anything, is it? Anyway, 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 5 is 45, 51. So 513 yards. Okay, that's it. Have a good one, my dudes.